yourselves, you are back with me, Elizabeth, your girl with a fierce style. And if you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. But if you are a subscriber, you know that I am addicted to bags. For this video, I am proud to say that we have another Coach bag unwrapping and bag reveal. But this is the second bag that I have from this design, and without further ado, let's unwrap it. So hello everybody, you know I'm very happy because I appreciate Coach so much. It was just on 2020 when I had my first ever Coach. I was given Coach before, but I started buying Coach in 2020 for myself and appreciate the good quality, the awesome leather, the craftsmanship, and the art behind the bags. So yeah, this I'm going to add to my collection, and I'm just really sad because this is discontinued and I'm very late on jumping to the bandwagon. I'm very late in the game, so I am now hunting these bags. Yeah, so every time I get the chance to grab one, I do so. So yes, here it is. And yeah, on my channel I do a lot of bag videos, so do subscribe if you like to see bag reviews and sharing you my thoughts and opinions. And also I have perfume videos, makeup videos, gadgets videos, jewelries, and so much more. Yeah, unwrap. Yeah. So I got this from 𝑙.com, which is a website here in Europe, and I got this from the Swedish part of that Boost website. So yes, and I have bought a lot of stuff from that website before, very legit. And this was delivered very fast, like the next day. Wow, I was like so amazed. I bought it in the Christmas season and it came super fast. Alright, so this is the part where there's gonna be a lot of unwrapping. I will have to fast forward a lot of this, and sorry it's getting dark right now. It is because I'm using natural light, which we actually do not have so much. It's winter in Sweden. Winter is coming. Alright, so yeah. Ta-da! But you will see it right away, and of course you saw it on the photo anyway. So it's this one. Oh my gosh. It's a Coach Cassie. Yes. So it's a Coach Cassie in tan rust in their signature. Okay. There is a lot of things for me to unwrap right here. So let's just go ahead and mumble. So I am not a Coach Cassie expert, but I have two. And if you haven't seen my video yet, please go ahead and do so. I enjoyed unboxing my Coach Cassies so much. So I have my Coach Cassie 19 first. That's the first one that I had. And I really like that color block. And then I have my Coach Cassie in the regular size, the original size, and I have it in ox blood, which I have been seeing for the longest time, but then I finally get to buy it because that was like sold out in one of the colors that everybody is rooting for, or it's a more sought after color. So I really appreciate how Coach wraps everything, as you see. So everything is protected. They really wanted to give you that really nice unwrapping experience of a new product. And I am also amazed by the amount of time that Coach really gives on all of their products, and they really think about it. They think about the designs, and they stay true to the roots. They have some new ones also, like they embraced the new trendy ones like the pillow bags, pillow tabby, and I also have a video of that, so go ahead and check it out here on my YouTube channel. I have two of those pillow tabby, but kept one, so please look at that. And then after the Coach Cassie, they replaced it with the Coach, what was that? The Beat bags, and there's two sizes also. But to be completely honest, I appreciate the Coach Cassie more than that. And oh my gosh, this is just like really stunning. So inside it here, another thing for me to unwrap is the chain. which is not available on the regular size of Coach, but is something that's very intricate touch to the bag because it's giving an extra style to it, gives us more options on how to wear the bag. And if you have lots of other bags or lots of other Coach bags, then you can go ahead and transfer this chain piece to your other bags also to give it an extra design, extra style. And it goes like that. So I probably will not be telling you on like ways to wear this because I already talked about that on my previous video, so go ahead and check it out. I'm just gonna do like mostly unwrapping and my thoughts about it, and then like show my other Coach Cassie bags to you guys. So it will not be a super huge video. I will just go ahead and refer you to my other video because I showed their ways to wear this bag. But as you see, we have 3 straps right here. We have this one, which will serve as a top handle, and also you can use to hook it here to the crook of your arm like that. And then we have this part. We can just like have it hanging like so pretty and stunning like that. Or otherwise you can also use this chain because it's much more longer than this top handle, as you see. Then you can go ahead and use this one as a shoulder strap. Very nice, perfect, and elegant. And it's not super big. Coach Cassie 19 is a very good size. It's like a perfect size for, especially for those who do not bring a lot of crazy stuff every single day and don't want bulky stuff, or for those petite ladies, this is a perfect bag for you. And of course, at the end of the day, we want it to be hands-free. So like in the beginning, you're still not tired, you just got out of your place, and then yeah, you can use any of these 2 straps. But when you have to go drop by a store or get some groceries before you go home, then we would like to use the crossbody option. And this is adjustable. As you see here, there's like a lot of, so you can adjust it on the length that you want it, shorter or longer. It's up to you, and it's up to your height. So this color, for those countries who have 4 seasons, you might say that, oh, that is an autumn color, an autumn type of bag, or you might prefer to grab this in the autumn time. But for those countries who does not have those 4 seasons, or just like have some sun and rain like in the Philippines or those tropical countries, then this is for all year round. It's a very safe color. As you see, 10 rust, not crazy shouting monogram. It's really nice. I was not so much of a fan of the Coach monogram, but since it's just like this cool C's over there, that's not a problem. And then we have a little bit at the back, but I really appreciate because as time goes by, this right here, this canvas right here goes better and better. And this color, oh my god, it's just already looking so vintage, and I sometimes really long for vintage bags, and I wanted to go grab them when I go out and about. So yeah, really love this bag. And let me just go ahead and grab my other Coach Cassie bag because I finally have 2, and my mom even likes this one also. We talk about it all the time, so maybe I would hunt for one for her, so there's gonna be like a twinning bag moment for her and me. Alright, so here are my 2 Coach Cassie 19 bags right here. Here is the color block, and that I have already made a video of. And this is the new one that we just unwrapped today, and they will be for 2 different seasons. This will be for my spring, summer, and this is an autumn, winter, but actually this will be a year-round. Both of them are year-round. I love them so much, and the hype of the Coach Cassie bags are real, and they're so worth it. So going back to this bag, so let's just go ahead and appreciate what we have here. It has a turn lock closure wherein You turn like so, and then you can open like that. Very easy. If you're in a hurry, you can just easily grab the things inside your bag also. That's not going to be a problem. This is the lining. This is a very pretty color also, and this is how it looks inside. We have one compartment right here, a bigger slit compartment, and then we have a zipped compartment right here. Oh, okay, I cannot open because I have to cut this part, but like it's a zip compartment. There's a story patch, and I keep on reading the story patch from previous videos. Let's not do that right now. It's too long. So that's how it looks inside. And then a very convenient back pocket for your important stuff. And if you just wanted to just like quickly put something in here and put your phone right there, and it's gonna fit. 12 Pro Max, 13 Pro Max will fit, especially if you don't have this crazy bulky case. You can do it lengthwise like that, which is crazy, but I mean, like horizontally and vertically, up to you, but of course much safer if you do it horizontally. And yeah, so this is much more smaller than a full-size Coach Cassie right here, but I really do love them both. A comparison video will be coming up, especially when we have a better lighting. There you have it, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me on the unwrapping of this beautiful Coach Cassie 19 in signature, and the color is tan rust. I truly love it, and I am happy to share with you my thoughts about this bag. And if you wanted to check out all of my other Coach bag videos, I have a playlist here on my YouTube channel. I have a lot more Coach Cassie 19 bags videos coming up, so stay tuned, and other brands too. There's also an entire playlist of all of the bags that I have shared on my YouTube channel. See you on my next video, and remember to stay fierce and fly high. See ya.